How to download Play Store on Windows. Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download your Play Store on Windows. So let's get into it. Now, normally when you want to download Play Store or any other game that is available on Android, you would need to download an emulator like BlueStacks or Nox. So right now, I'm going to be using BlueStacks. I've already downloaded it and it's installed. As you can see, it's now downloading at this moment. After that, we are good to go. All right, so as you can see, it is now installed. Now all we have to do is let me make it a little bit bigger for you guys to see. So here we go. So now we have our Play Store installed on our Windows phone or our Windows laptop, whatever it is. And then you can just simply go ahead and search any game you want and it'll pop up. So let's say I want to search for like a zombie game. There's a special zombie game that I like, Last Day on Earth. It's a really popular game. And over here, it'll pop up. There we go. So now here it is the game. And now we can go ahead and install a Android game on your Windows phone. So on your Windows laptop. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time. Take care. Goodbye.